crazy, right? I need to move the cars around, and that's one thing about having another car in the garage. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Matty here as always. Thanks so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. By the way, if you didn't check Hard Work Force, make sure to check. We are giving away a GoPro 9, which is way better than this one I'm recording. And the reason why I'm recording today in a GoPro is because we're gonna take the Corvette to a car wash, and taking my bigger camera doesn't help. If you buy a merch, you can enter to win a GoPro 9 Hero, the best one. But it's not only the GoPro, it's like a bundle. You get the SD card, you get a bunch of stuff, so it's that worth like almost $600. So make sure to hit to Hard Work Force. We have like brand new hoodies. We still have this one, which is the first generation, but we still have brand new ones. We have zip ones, we have hats, we have beanies, we have whatever you want, we have there. If you are from US, you can enter. Also, if you are from Canada, you can enter. So why you should enter? I mean, my channel is not that big, so might be worth for you to enter. I know a lot of people doing giveaways, but remember, I'm not that big channel, so I don't think we're gonna have a lot of people enter to this. So you have a really good chance, right? Cold start. This is a little cold start because it's cold today. Start of everything today, not the Murano though, because you know. I know we need more volume, but it's coming soon. One thing you're gonna notice, it's the car, it's kind of clean. I don't know how much you can see, but look at this. And for some reason, all the dust came out of from the basement to the garage, and I don't want to keep the car like this. It's still clean, but I need to give it a good wash, and we're gonna see how the plastic is not gonna hold that kind of pressure, but we'll see. That's the first time I'm gonna like give it a wet wash to this car. I hope that holds. So car wash, here we go. Let me know if you guys get those crazy pops, because I mean, not crazy pops, but people normally get it wrong what I said. Like, it's not crazy like so it's super loud, you know what I'm saying, but you get pops for just axle back. It's like I'm quite sure we're gonna get more with the headers. You guys probably saw this car wash before. I normally bring the car here because you can do by yourself. And good thing is today there's no music, so we don't have any problem with copywriting. So I will give it a quick wash, and then we're gonna see how the the plastic behaves. You guys see I didn't use like the brush from here because that's gonna just scratch the entire car. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just, since there's nobody waiting, I'm gonna take advantage of the cars being on the shade, and I'll just dry it. I brought my own tile just to let you know. I pull the car outside because I don't want to be that guy. You know what I'm saying? Like holding a bait, which not me. But so far, it's looking good, clean. I think there's one wheel that I might need to redo really soon. This one here. And I cannot even tell you guys why. Look at how shiny it is when the sun comes. Hits and you can see the flakes. See, that's the truth about plastic. Holds very well as long as you take care of it. I mean, I didn't put like too much pressure on, but I cleaned enough, and that's how the car is looking like so far. This one's too good too. Look at how shiny it is, and you can see. I love it when the sun hits on it. It's perfect. The main goal of this upload was showing you guys that the plastidip still looks phenomenal. Look at that gold. So many like ideas out there that you cannot use like tire shine. You guys notice about my cars that I really love tire shine. I like it. Every time I get a car wash, doesn't matter if it's the truck or the car, I tend to put a lot because I really like this shiny, looks like, you know, make the car looks like brand new, and I like that. I really like that. I didn't know anything about plastic until I start using it, so far nothing wrong with it. So far it's looking great, as you guys can tell. I show you guys like how shiny is this. Look at the flakes. I hope the camera will pick it up. Like in person, it's crazy. It's so windy over here. I wish I had my other camera, but it's so windy. If you are thinking about to do a plastic in your car, I don't think you cannot go wrong as long as you apply that in the right way and just follow the instructions. You should be fine. Just follow the instructions, you should be really fine. No problem at all. It's so windy here that there's no way I can finish this vlog outside because I don't want you guys to get bad audio. Make sure to check Hard Work Force. You get a chance to win a brand new GoPro 9 Hero, and I get a chance to talk to you as well. That's gonna be even more excited for me. So again, you cannot go wrong though. You get a nice merch and you still get a chance to win a GoPro, and that's a big chance. As I said, my channel is not that big. I don't think we're gonna have many entries, so you really got a good chance, but you only get a chance if you buy a merch. Here's the deal, you get something, right? Regardless if you win, you can win a GoPro and you help the channel. So I'm not doing this like, you know, just to prove you guys I can do. It's just I think it goes both ways. I get to give you guys something, and I also get something to invest in the channel and make the channel grow, so I can bring you more content for you, different content. That's all in the plans. So I hope you guys support the Hard Work Force. You also can follow Hard Work Force on Instagram, because that's where we're gonna announce, and the announce is gonna be on Black Friday. So it doesn't get any better. After Thanksgiving, you get a notice that you got a brand new GoPro, right? I hope you guys enjoy. Again, plastidip, way to go if you don't want to spend a lot of money on powder coating or painting or wheels. As long as you do the right application, you should be fine. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. If you have any questions, leave in a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next upload. As always, never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.